In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a filter view in Google Sheets. Whether you're tidying up your dataset or simply removing a filter that's no longer necessary, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets in your web browser and selecting the specific file you want to work on. If you haven't already, ensure you're logged into your Google account, as this will grant you access to all your saved spreadsheets. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a menu bar. Click on Data. This menu has a variety of options that help to manage how your data is organized and viewed. After clicking on Data, you'll see a drop-down menu. Look for and click on Create a Filter View. Now, it's important to note that this step is essential if you have not already created the view or if you're looking to create a specific filter to remove. A filter view allows you to filter data based on specific criteria while keeping the original data intact. Now, let's say you want to filter a specific column. To do this, you will select the column header of your choice and apply the filter settings accordingly. This step may vary depending on the column and criteria you choose to filter by. It's a handy tool to focus on certain data points, but ensure you apply the correct parameters for an accurate view. With the column filtered accordingly, let's move to the next phase. Head back up to the Data menu. Click on Data once more, and here you'll need to locate and select Delete View. By doing this, Google Sheets will remove the filter view, thereby resetting the view to its default setting without the filter that was previously applied. This action does not delete any of your data, just the filter view, which means your original data set remains unchanged. Lastly, to confirm that your filter view has been successfully deleted, go back to Data one more time. In this menu, check to ensure that there are no more filter views indicated. This is a good way to double-check that everything worked as expected, providing you peace of mind that your spreadsheet is organized according to your needs. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently delete a filter view in Google Sheets. Remember, managing your filter views effectively can significantly assist in streamlining data analysis and improving your overall workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy data organizing.